7 a.m. We are going to Jesolo for the first race, and it's too early for this. The old bike, it's going perfect with the Olos fork. The new bike, also without the fork, it's gonna be even more chattering, and I don't think you can make a good result. I mean, you buy new tires, you pay for the race, and we're not in this championship, so
That's right.
I think it's better if we take all the good parts, put them on the old bike, and go for it, because it has your number on
Put
it.
the only suspension on the old bike and race with
Race
that.
with the old bike because it's perfect, and then in the
There is
future.
no chattering with old bike.
Yeah.
Outside line is so destroyed, but this inside line is, I think, better.
Yeah, if you go from the outside here, you
Yes.
have a little bump, and then you get the perfect arc to let the clutch and explode out.
Yes, it's also
on the
better with for the jump, because in the left is
It's lower.
lower. Yes.
Yeah. You do in the free practice. You go outside, so nobody gets the eye. And then qualifying, you go outside,
Outside
inside.
and inside, yes.
2 laps if you get pole position enough.
And go out.
and drink a beer. We decided yesterday with the team that we are gonna put all the best parts on the old bike, and only Matteo will race with that bike. So I will help out today, and hopefully with the future testing we'll get the new bikes working.
The old bike has much better feeling in the asphalt and in the off-road section.
Did you have any chattering?
Just a little bit, but compared at the new bike, it's perfect.
Tito, what are you doing?
Setting the launch control.
Do you need control for your lunch?
Yeah.
What do you do? What is this?
This is the push button.
Yeah.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call 911.
What did you do in the off-road at the beginning?
At the beginning, I stopped the bike in the first corner of the off-road section. I restart from the fourth position and then
Okay.
you
It was more
overtake.
interesting.
Yes, it's more interesting.
At least there was a little bit of overtaking. How was the physical condition?
So bad for first race.
Yeah?
Yes. 20 minutes of race is so
Yeah.
hard.
Just 5 minutes is murder.
I'm a killer, you know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang got my
Tito, how was your first race weekend?
Yeah, it's a very hard weekend today. This bike is very good, very good old bike. Today is
Maybe with this we have no chatter.
Matteo!
What do you want? What do you want? It's for me?
Yeah, it's for you.
In the second race, I started in second position. Then at the third lap, I overtook the rider in front of me, and then after 5-6 laps, I win also the second race.